What's up guys, and welcome to the video. So this one's a little time sensitive as this project that I want to talk about today, Win Binary, it's currently in the private pre-sale phase, which is live now. So obviously if you guys are watching this video nice and early, then you will have your opportunity to get yourself in the private sale as long as you reach all their requirements that they're asking for in the Discord, which according to the Discord channel, if you want that OG role, then you need to get yourself 5 invites into level 3 in the chat. And if you want that whitelist spot, you need to have 10 invites and level 3 in the chat if you want to take part of this pre-sale. But yeah, anyway, so let's go into it in a bit more detail and explain what the project's about. So these guys are basically a stable coin rewards token. So each of the buy and sell tax is going to be 10%, and those taxes are basically distributed out to holders in BUSD rewards. Now these guys aren't just a BUSD rewards token, they actually have 5 different features within their ecosystem. We'll go over those 5 now. So we have a scroll down here, it brings up the 5 features, and here they are. So the first one is the Win Miner. So if you've watched some of my videos, I did cover some of these miners a few months back when they were the current trend in DeFi. Now basically what these are is you lock your tokens up inside the protocol, and then you are rewarded 8% rewards daily and also a 12% referral bonus. But do take in mind that once your tokens are locked, they're locked and you won't be able to get them out. The only thing you can earn is your 8% daily rewards. Moving on, next is Win Crash. So we'll show this one in a little bit more detail, because the good thing as well is 3 of these 5 features are all ready before launch. So the Win Miner will be ready, the Win Crash will be ready, and the Last Buy Jackpot too, which we'll go over in a second. So the Win Crash is basically, I'm not sure if you ever played any of those like online arcade games. Basically there's like a multiplier that will keep multiplying, and you have the chance to cash out, but if you leave it too late, then basically you will lose all your money. So we'll go over that in a bit more detail in a second. And then the third one is the Last Buy Jackpot. Also for those of you guys in the world of DeFi, maybe you have already took part in one of these protocols where basically if there's no buys within the 10 minutes, then the last person to make a buy wins a jackpot, which causes some buy pressure. So that's the third feature. So all these 3 features will be ready before launch. The fourth one is basically a online betting service where you'll be able to bet on horse racing, different sports, even esports and stuff like that. You'll be able to bet on against other people. And then the fourth one is actually an options trading platform where you'll be able to trade options on Forex and crypto, both of them I believe. And yeah, so not only these guys rewards token, we have got these 5 features all in one ecosystem. So we'll just move over to the white paper and go over it in a bit more detail. So yeah, I think I've explained the basics about the project, what these guys are about, rewards token, and then having these 5 different features. I will put a link to the white paper in there, so you can read over all these 5 features in a little bit more detail if you wasn't understanding my explanation of each one of them. But one thing I did want to go over to play here, you can have a go and see them. So we're going to the miner. This is a miner, and sort of how it works. You have to approve it, and then you stake, and it'll tell you the amount of rewards that you've got and stuff like that, and your referral address here. So if people buy with that, you'll get 12% referral reward, sorry. And yeah, this is the Win Crash was on about. So there's the multiplier. It'll keep going up and eventually it will crash, and if you don't click collect before it crashes, then you lose all your money basically. But if you did manage to click just before that crash, you would have earned 1.8 your original investment. Say it is going up, for example, say I cashed out now, I would be able to cash out 1.2 of my original investment. So say I put $1,000 in, I would then be able to bring out $1,200 from that. Obviously it's a big risk, it's just like in a casino, because if this thing does crash before you collect, then you've lost all your money basically. So ape with precaution in these kind of things. Last Buy Jackpot as well. Yeah, so those of you guys invested in Last Ape Standing and stuff like that, you know how these work. If you don't, like I said, I will stick a link into the for the white paper in the description video. You can read into this in a little bit more detail. And yes, this one's kind of a time sensitive one because the private pre-sale is ongoing. The hard cap isn't reached, because I think it's 750,000 BUSD is what they wanted to raise for the private sale, which is obviously quite a lot. and obviously not as many people have actually got a whitelist spot. So you still got a chance, but you've got to get over to Discord very fast and try and find yourself the whitelist spot basically. And yeah, so I'll put all the links to the project in the description video. You can go check it out for yourself. And yeah, as always, until next time, guys, bye.